Okay, in this step we want to learn what is inheritance in C# Unity. For example, we have a component which called part23, and I will define a function which called public void do something. Okay, and I want to make another function to be able to do something exactly like do something does. Okay, should I make it from scratch? No. The better idea is we can inheritance with this part23 script. For example, I will say part24, and after public class part23, after these dots, we can write part23. So with inheritance, the child have will have all the functions of the parent. So no need to reference them. Just use them. That's it. For example, here we have inheritance of mono behavior. So look at this. No need to define what is void start, because it's already defined in monobehavior class. Look at this. If we remove monobehavior, we will lose this guy. So we need to make from scratch how what function start works. Okay. Or for example, let me. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's correct. For example, if we have void update, it is the same. It comes from monobehavior. But how we can change the access of these functions for everyone? For definition of each function in the class, in the parent class, we have three different definition: public, private, and protected. Imagine, let me find something like this. Okay, public, and this is private. Okay. Okay, it is better now. All right. We have access to this guy anytime from any script, even children. Okay, for public. For this guy, we don't have access to this guy even from children. Okay, even children don't have access to this private function. Okay, for this guy we'll say we have access to this guy, okay, only from any script of children. Only children. Okay, we won't have access to this function for other scripts, just a script of the children of this part23. Okay, this is the big and overall definition of inheritance. In the future we will talk about it more. Let's go to the next step.